dear traders, you are watching a weekly link up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina. In our program, we discuss the latest developments on Forex and try to forecast further moves of popular trading instruments. InstaForex technical expert Peter Yakimovic will give us his expert advice. The economic calendar of the Eurozone has been loaded with important reports this week. However, investors are discouraged with downbeat statistics. As a result, the most popular currency pair is again trading with losses. Hi Peter, what do you expect from the single European currency in the short term?
Hello there, traders. On the euro versus US dollar, what I found basically according to the daily time frame is a strong downward trend. Recently, I found a broken bearish flag and confirmation that sellers are in control in this currency pair. So my advice is absolutely watch for selling opportunities, but watch for a potential upward correction, potentially, for example, some bearish flag on the 1 hour time frame or 4 hour time frame, and then watch for potential selling opportunities. The downward targets are set the price of 1.1720. This is based on the previous price action according to the daily time frame, and it seems like a very solid support based on the previous price action. And if you see the valid breakout of 1.1720, then the next target will be at the price of 1.1580. So this is also a very strong support based on the daily time frame and based on the price action. So strong downward trend in this currency pair. Watch for selling opportunities on rallies.
The pound sterling is also closing the trading week in the red against the American counterpart. Could you please comment on the situation?
On the British pound versus US dollar, what I found is a rectangle or a flat base, and there is a flat base for for about 7 days. Price is going basically nowhere, and the key support in this currency pair is basically the 1.3450. So pay attention to this level, because if you see the valid breakout and successful retest after the breakout, that can be a very powerful selling opportunity on this currency pair. The trend is absolutely downward, and there is a breakout of a strong upward trend line in the background based in the daily time frame. So watch for a breakout of this flat base and breakout of 1.3450. The downward target, the first downward target, is set the price of 1.3300. This is also a round number, but it's also based on the price action. So this target is this level is a very critical, and it's a good level where you can scale potential your positions and take some profits on your selling positions if you see a strong downward movement on this currency pair. So watch for selling opportunities below 1.3450.
What other trading instrument would you like to discuss in our link up today?
On the USD versus Japanese yen, what I found is a broken bullish flag. And after the previously, basically the price broke the strong resistance, the supply trend line, and price and using Japanese yen finally managed to go above that supply trend line, and after that created a bullish flag. So this is a clear sign, in my opinion, that buyers are in control, and there is actually still space for higher prices in this currency pair. My advice is to watch for buying opportunities, and the upward targets are set the price of 111.40 and 112. Both of these targets are based on the previous price action according to the daily time frame. And again, my advice, since there is a strong demand on the market, buyers are in control, and my advice is to watch for buying opportunities with the first target at 111.40.
Let's talk about the pound-franc pair, as demand for safe haven assets is on the rise. After a 2-week steady rally, the British pound is losing ground against the Swiss franc. We would appreciate your advice, Peter.
On the British pound, Swiss franc, basically what I found is that the price is trading in the side of the downward channel. This is actually a very good sign that sellers are in control. So any breakout of any corrective, for example, bearish flag or regular flat, any kind of breakout of the upward correction, you can watch for potential selling opportunities in this currency pair. And the downward target is set the price of 1.3380, and this is based on this lower diagonal of this downward channel. So in my opinion, I see the potential for this currency pair to go and retest that lower diagonal of that downward channel. So watch for selling opportunities on this currency pair.
Thank you for your trading recommendations and see you back next week. You have watched the Linkup on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Petar Jakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always gainful trading and see you soon.